If you are listening to this prayer now, it is not by chance. There is something inside you seeking peace, courage, and direction for this new day. Take a deep breath, feel the air filling your chest, and realize the simple fact that you are alive is already a divine gift. This is the channel Grace in the Morning, and today, together, we will awaken the strength and courage that God planted within you. As the sun rises outside, something also begins to rise within you. A new beginning, a light, a quiet confidence. Feel your body, your heart, your breathing. Everything you need to move forward is here, in this present moment. Today, you will rise in faith. You will look at life and say, I can because God is with me. No matter what happened yesterday, the pain, the fears, the uncertainty, God renews your spirit now. And now, feel this gentle, serene presence that surrounds you like a calm breeze. It is the love of God sustaining you. In this new dawn, He says to you, do not fear, for I am with you. I will strengthen you and help you. Let these words sink deep into your soul. Breathe and repeat silently, I am not alone. See that every challenge you face is also an opportunity to grow. God has not abandoned you. He is preparing you. And even when fear tries to paralyze you, remember, courage is not the absence of fear. It is moving forward despite it. God places within you a silent strength capable of sustaining you even on the hardest days. It is born from faith. And when you trust, something changes, the impossible begins to move. Now see everything that worries you and let go. Place it gently in God's hands. You don't need to control everything. There is a right time for each thing, and God knows what He is doing. The courage that comes from above does not shout. It whispers within you, go, I am with you. Now imagine yourself surrounded by golden light. This light is the divine presence protecting and strengthening you. It enters your thoughts, calms what was restless, and renews your mind with peace. Feel your breathing lighter, your body calmer, your soul more confident. Today, you will not run from challenges. You will face them with serenity, knowing each step is guided by God. There is no darkness that lasts forever, for the light of faith is stronger, and it already shines within you. Even when the world feels heavy, Remember, there is a God who carries the burden with you. You have never been alone. Notice now, calm settling in, your heart becoming still, your mind opening to divine presence. True courage is born in stillness, in the moment you say, "Lord, I trust." And in that trust, everything changes. What was fear becomes faith. What was weight becomes purpose. You were created with a divine purpose, and nothing can erase that. Not fear, not time, not pain. And now, bring to mind the people you love. Send them a silent prayer. Wish them strength and courage too. When you pray for others, your own soul grows stronger, because love is a bridge between hearts. God invites you today to walk in faith. Do not rush your steps, simply trust His timing. Take a deep breath and say to yourself, "I carry God's strength within me." See yourself now smiling with a peaceful heart, ready to begin the day in peace. God is with you at work, in your family, in your choices, in every breath. Nothing escapes His eyes, and everything He allows can become a lesson of love. Even what seems like pain carries within it a seed of strength. You are growing. Do not lose heart in trials. It is in their silence that God speaks deeper. Listen with your heart. With every sunrise, He says to you, rise and walk, for life continues and there is light ahead. Today is a new beginning, a call to faith, a call to courage. Feel yourself embraced. The love of God surrounds you like an invisible mantle, dissolving all fear. You may not have all the answers, but within you burns a divine flame. It never goes out. And it is that light that will guide you, even on gray mornings, even when the road seems uncertain. Realize that faith is not just believing, it is resting in God's love, trusting that He takes care of everything. And now, bring your intentions for the day. Think of something you want to achieve and hand it over to God with trust. You don't have to hurry. What is yours will find you. What is true will remain. Let your heart be at peace and allow divine strength to flow like a calm river within you. Today, you walk with courage, not because you feel invincible, but because you trust the invisible. And in that trust, the soul rests. Everything calms, everything aligns, everything is grace. And if at any moment fear returns, breathe. Remember, you've already overcome so much. There is a silent strength sustaining you now. It comes from above and walks with you in every step. May your day be light, your mind be clear, and your heart be firm in faith. You are blessed, and every breath is proof of it. Feel gratitude right now. Gratitude for life, for strength reborn, for God's constant presence. Now imagine your morning beginning, with serenity, with focus, with renewed courage. Everything you need to face the day, God has already placed within you. Believe it. And throughout the day, when the hours feel heavy, remember this moment of peace. Breathe calmly again, close your eyes for a moment, and feel the divine presence once more. It never leaves you, it lives in you. It is the very love of God. Now let your faith become action, let your courage become firm steps, and let love guide all your choices. May fear dissolve, hope blossom, and peace accompany you all day long. In this moment, repeat silently, Lord, guide me, strengthen me, and stay with me. With every new sunrise, God renews your strength, and today He makes you rise in victory. Nothing can stop you, because within you dwells the divine presence. It is your courage. Now feel peace entering your heart. Feel yourself surrounded by light, protected, guided, loved. This is your moment with God, a new beginning, a new morning full of purpose. Give thanks for this moment. Give thanks for the strength awakening and for the courage growing within you. May your mind remain at peace, your heart trust, and your day be blessed. God walks with you, God sustains you, and God leads you in love. Stay in peace, feel the silence, and know all is well. May this morning be a mark of faith, of courage, and of renewal. And so, with a serene heart and a soul in light, you can move forward because you were born to believe. And may your day be filled with strength, with courage, and with deep peace. Amen.